I'm Jamie Sorensen, Director of Specialty Vehicles for Winnebago Industries. I'm going to take you through a walkthrough of our new accessibility enhanced Adventurer motor coach. It's the top of the line Class A gas coach. Premium level amenities. It's just 31 feet long, so it's compact and easy to drive and maneuver. It features 2 slide-out rooms for expanded living space that are spacious and comfortable. We have a long list of standard features to make wheelchair travel safer, easier, and more comfortable. The wheelchair entrance features a powered roll-up door with a wall mount and a key fob remote. It also features a commercial-grade platform lift with 800 pounds of lifting capacity. The interior is a mid-coach entry, so you enter into the living area. The galley area is very well equipped with Corian countertops, 3-burner stove, large sink and refrigerator, plenty of cabinet space, and an optional microwave placement below the stove. The dining table is cantilevered, so there's no table legs, so you can roll your wheelchair underneath. The cab seats rotate, plus we offer a pull-out table and removable pedestal table. There's also an option for a powered studio loft bed. Our hallway is 30.5 inches wide. Many light switches, the generator switch, and a systems monitor have been placed for easier access from a wheelchair. The bath area features an expanded toilet area. It has an elongated china bowl raised to 20 inches high with an assist bar, vanity cabinet, a large roll-in shower with an assist bar, and a reinforced outer shower wall for optional folding bench seat. It features an adjustable shower head with a removable handset, plus there's no shower pan, so it's a barrier-free entrance from your wheelchair. We also offer an optional roll-in second lavatory sink. The bedroom has ample storage. Features a queen bed with an optional power raise head or fully adjustable bed. With the optional raised power bed, the foot retracts for more maneuvering space with your wheelchair. The bed is 23 inches high with generous toe kick on one side to make transfers easier in and out of the bed from a wheelchair. The driver and passenger seats feature 2-position armrests, lumbar support, slide, recline, and swivel features. There's an optional 6-way power transfer seat option that raises, lowers, moves forward and back, and also rotates. There's a fold-out dash workstation with USB and 12-volt power, a 10-inch color monitor system with Bluetooth and Sirius XM capability, powered blackout shade, and an auxiliary slide-out room control switch to operate the front slide-out room from the cab. To learn more about the Accessibility Enhanced Adventurer, please visit WinnebagoIND.com.